How to effectively market with video on the web. Online video publishing has indeed taken the internet by storm in recent years, making the use of video for marketing, promotion, news and PR online a true key strategic component, and a key business differentiator for internet marketers who want to communicate effectively about the product profile and benefits within the shortest possible time. Internet is full of information, and the average attention span of a web user today is measured in seconds. When web users search for their information at a search engine, they will get thousands of search results. When they visit your website, they may only spend a few seconds and little effort to scan through what you are selling or proposing and decide whether your content, style, look and approach are a good fit for what they were actually looking for. These first few seconds are crucial, and if you can deliver clear and targeted message by offering a fast, highly visual way to get their attention further and engage their interest, you have hit the bingo. Does this mean that you just need to simply put up a 10-minute video tutorial on your website, or just slamming some video contents up on your web pages, and you will instantly sell more products or services? If this is your way of marketing with video on the web and hoping to get high conversion rate of traffic to sales, you will move towards getting disappointments than good news. In order to make your video to effectively market your products, services online and convey your product, service key traits and characteristics within a very short amount of time in a unique, memorable way, these are a few rules of thumb to follow. 1. Get your video seen. If you want your video to be your effective marketing tool, it must be able to be seen by as many web users as possible. Hence, don't just keep and lock your video inside your website borders. Let your video content be free and distributed to the major video sharing websites such as YouTube and Google Video, so that not only others can watch and talk about it, but they can easily download it, redistribute it, if not even publish it directly on their own sites. 2. Small file and load fast. Statistics show that an average web user spend their time waiting for a page to load for about 7 seconds. Web pages that take longer than 7 seconds to load will have visitors normally on the verge of clicking away and visit other websites. Hence, you need to make sure your video file is small enough, ideally less than 1 megabyte, and load almost in real time to keep the interest of your visitors. AVI is the most common video format. The file size can easily exist 10 megabytes for a short 2 to 3 minutes video. Hence, if you share your video in this format, you most probably will get clicked away from your visitors because of long loading time of your video file. Hence, you must get a video format conversion tool to convert your video to a more internet-friendly format such as SWF format. 3. Let them know it's a video, a short video. If the web users do not know that it is a video, they won't click it and play it, hence your video will not get watched. So, you must let the web users know that the box is a video. The best way is to make it look like a video, VCR-like, by having a play and stop button where the web users can click to play the video and stop it whenever they want to stop it. Let the web users know also that this is a short video. No one wants to sit through a 30-minute presentation on the history of your company. Be focused on your products, services and deliver your messages preferably within 2 minutes. In summary, effectively market with video on the web is not just slamming some video content up on your web pages. Gear it towards effective video communication through video publishing and sharing on the web. This awesome video has been created in the ever-easy video maker, Content Samurai. Click on the link below to try it for free and keep the videos too.